Stop wasting time setting up every wedding project from scratch. Having a Premiere Pro project template saves a little bit of time every project, and that adds up at the end of the year. So I wanted to help you guys save some time and share mine with you. Hey, I'm Eric of Dollister Films, and I've spent years using this template, making wedding editing faster and easier. So let me walk you through step by step, and at the end, you'll be able to customize it for your own needs. So without further ado, let's hit it. So first, we're gonna add a couple bins here. The first one being captured. If you watch my other video, you'll see how I organize all my wedding files as well. So go check that one out if you haven't. It's in this whole playlist and everything. So we will be able to simply go to captured and drag in, well, let's just say our audio and video for now, and just drag that in. Then we'll add another bin called FX, which is where we'll drag in all of our effects that we like to reuse in all our videos. Another bin we're gonna title Project Files. And in here, we're going to create another bin called Nests, because whenever you nest a clip, I don't know where to put it. So Nests is going to go in the project files, and while we're at it, we're going to sort these a little bit better. But we're gonna go in Nests. Think of Nests as kind of like your recycle bin, your junk drawer, if you will. You kind of just throw things in there. Like, I only need to use music files once, so once they're set in the timeline, I just put them in here. And if you ever need to find something, you can just go to the search bar. That's literally what it's for. And then we're gonna make one last bin titled Seeks, short for sequences, and we're gonna drag that into project files as well. And inside we're going to make a sequence. Use whatever preset you like to use, but this is very specific, how you name these files, okay? We're going to go, for the sake of this video, year.month.date. This is so important because I know here in America we go like month, date, then year, but you know, when you're sorting things through, you know, chronologically and just like trying to find files later, find projects later, it's all messed up. It's all just like that, it's all messed up. When you do it by year, the year is the least thing to change. So if you keep it by that, everything goes in order that way. I'm gonna name this events because something that I'm gonna go into further in my editing master course that's coming soon to this channel. I like to split my wedding content into two categories. Either it's an event or it's a raw clip. So a raw clip would be like prep, portraits, cocktail hour, dancing, that kind of stuff. While an event would be like a first look, the ceremony, grand march, speeches, first dances, that kind of stuff. So one thing I did forget to do actually in events here, I'm going to go and add tracks. So I'm gonna add 7 more tracks to both video and audio. So I just have 10 total, right? Let's delete that. We will duplicate it now that it has those 10 tracks on each. These are kind of the only 2 things that I need. Once I'm ready to do a short film, because I like to take care of all the raw video in events first, I'll just kind of duplicate the events timeline and then title that short film, because all of the audio settings that I'll have like over here are all already like the same. I don't have to copy them and paste them over or anything like that. So that makes it a little bit easier that way. Now you'll be able to kind of start customizing this, adding your own effects or your own things that you drag into every single project, or going through titling every single audio track here to which ones that you like to use. Like for example, I have a Tascam X6. I always put that on track 6 because, well, you know, it's easy to remember that way. I have a Tascam 05X. I like to have that on track 5. You know what I mean? So like little things like that. We're gonna go up, File, Save as Template, and we're gonna title it whatever you want. So I'll just say weddings. Save. So if this saved you time, go ahead and let me know below, or let me know how you tweaked it for your own workflow. Now get out there and create some killer weddings. I'll catch you next time.